So today we are at Nauyaca Waterfalls in Costa Rica, southern Costa Rica. And I'm here with my uncle, Paul. He was in the Astor Falls in Montana and rafting video, which was super fun. And today we are in Costa Rica to see a giant waterfall here in the jungle. I'm not sure how tall it is, but all I know is that it's super tall and the pool at the bottom is crazy for some awesome swimming action. We've gotten pretty far so far on the trail, and we are making our way to the falls through cool creek sections and nice bridges. And yeah, this will totally be an exceptional adventure. So this trail has been really amazing so far. This bamboo, I don't know what to call it, like a jet, just kind of jets up in the sky, which is quite interesting. It's something you don't see much in the States, so hiking out here in the jungle has been a really awesome experience. We're getting closer to the falls. The last sign I read said 1.87 miles or 3 kilometers. And we've hiked a good amount since then, so I'd say we are nearing the falls pretty soon. So that was the first waterfall, which was really epic. That's the only word I can find to describe it, just massive. I dunked my head a little bit in the water in a small little waterfall. But now we're gonna go down to waterfall 2, which is like right behind me. You can see some of the mist. And that's where we're gonna get our real swimming action. Should be a lot of fun. from swimming at the waterfall 2 of Nauyaca Falls, and it was awesome. We swam there for a good couple hours, did some super cool jumping into the water. We went under the waterfall, and it was really crazy. I would definitely suggest swimming in the falls. If you go to Nauyaca Falls, it's like once you get to the waterfall, it's one of the main things to do, and it was really fun.